I'm going to show you how you can find and get your Bitcoin wallet address on Kraken. So this way you can deposit crypto or people can send you Bitcoin on this platform. Okay, so this is very easy. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. So I will leave a link in the description below where you can get 20 euros for free just by creating your account. Then once you have your account, you should see something like this. So just search for Bitcoin right here, click there. You should see this, so scroll down and you will see the deposit button. In my case, I have no Bitcoin right now, so click on deposit, and now you will find different networks. So if you are new to this, you can find some information, but the most common one is just using the Bitcoin network, unless the person that is sending money tells you otherwise. So just go to Bitcoin. Now you should see some instructions. Those are basic instructions for the transaction. For example, you can only deposit from the Bitcoin network. There is a very small minimum deposit. The time can be like around 45 minutes. And if you want to make sure that your address is correct, you can send smaller amounts first. So then click on I understand and you should see your Bitcoin deposit address. So this is mine. You can copy it by clicking this button right here, or you can directly scan the QR code or send it to whoever wants to pay you, so they can just scan it and send the money. So that's it. Once they pay, after some minutes, the money should appear right here. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.